Sesame Street Super Salad Diner. To play, press the green button. Hi there, welcome to Sesame Street Super Salad Diner. Bert and I could really use your help. Bert? Come on out here, Bert.
But Ernie, I look ridiculous.
Oh, don't be silly. You look great, Bert.
Okay, but I don't think this hat fits.
Like I was saying, Bert and I could really use your help. You see, we're kind of short a chef. Do you think you could help us?
Yeah, could you? Pretty please, with oatmeal on top?
Let's get started! Great job, Chef! You finished all the orders. Order up. You've got 8 orders. Good luck, Chef.
Is it break time yet? Where is the break room anyway? Wow, you're fast!
Ah. Keep up the good work, Chef.
Some of these customers are getting antsy.
You're a pro! Uh-oh. Looks like you're in the weeds, Chef.
I'll run this to the table right away. I'm okay. Some of these dishes aren't. Wow, you're fast!
Top it like it's hot. Keep up the good work, Chef. Uh-oh, it looks like we didn't finish all the orders. Order up. You've got 7 orders. Good luck, Chef. Oh, you're a pro.
You know what goes good with salad? Oatmeal. I'll run this to the table right away. Uh-huh. Wow, you're fast!
Go ahead, click on the onions. Ah. Keep up the good work, Chef.
Is it break time yet? Where is the break room anyway?
Uh-oh, it looks like we didn't finish all the orders.
Oh, Ernie, running a salad cafe is tougher than I thought. I'm feeling frustrated.
Don't worry, Bert. Sometimes when I feel frustrated, I count to 3. Want to give it a try?
I guess so.
Here, we'll count with you. Let's count aloud. Ready? Click on Bert to help him count. 1,
1,
2,
2,
go ahead. Click on Bert. 3.
3.
There, Bert. How do you feel now?
You know, I'm feeling a bit better. Let's give it another try.
Order up. You've got 3 orders. Good luck, Chef. Keep up the good work, Chef. You're a pro. We'll beat this rush in no time.
Wow, you're fast!
Great job, Chef. You finished all the orders. Wow, we're serving salad so fast, we've added a new ingredient to the menu. Carrots has been added to the menu.
Looks good. Is it time for my milk break?
No time, Bert. We've got a new ingredient and new customers. Order up. You've got 5 orders. Good luck, Chef.
Is it break time yet? Where is the break room anyway?
We'll beat this rush in no time. Keep up the good work, Chef. Oh, you're a pro. So many ingredients and so little time.
I'll run this to the table right away.